I'm Tony, the owner of Homeowner Repair, and in this video, I'm over at Steve's place. So Steve and I are going to walk around this Kubota tractor, hit all the grease points on it. It happens to be a 2005 Kubota BX 23. So there's a ton of grease points on this tractor. We're going to go around and make sure everything's greased correctly. The recommendation is that everything gets greased around every 10 hours according to the manufacturer's sticker. So we're gonna walk around the tractor, make sure that everything's topped off with grease, and we'll follow Steve around and we'll see where all the grease points are on this thing. So this bucket attachment on the front, we counted out 6 grease fittings, so we'll walk around them and grease them. And with the bucket attachment that we have on the back of this tractor, we counted out around 21 grease fittings. So we'll walk around and show you.
So everywhere that there's a pivot point on these tractors, normally there's gonna be a grease fitting on it. So you gotta check all your pivot points that are moving. Some of them don't, but a lot of them do. So, you know, we have grease fittings on this top one in here, and there's one. Definitely one here somewhere. Right here on the bottom here for the boom. So we're gonna grease these.
Get one on both sides.
Yeah. Okay, we got some grease coming out the back side. That's good. Just starting to see the grease there. That's all we want to get. Go over to the other side. Okay, got some grease coming out over here. That's good. You can see the grease starting to come out over here. That's all you need. You don't need it all slopped out. So there's no fitting on here and here. You'll see the grease will attract dust and stuff, and it gets black and stuff. So like here, there's no grease fittings down in here. So it's not really black down there. And it doesn't appear that there's any more on the front boom here. You got...
No, that's a bolt.
No, there's a grease fitting right here.
Okay.
So there's one for the boom here. And... I don't see another one on the bottom. There you go, coming out. Let's check this bottom one here. There's a grease fitting right on the side over here.
It's coming out.
Okay. Good.
So very easy to do. It's easy to do maintenance, right?
Yeah. Except for changing the radiator.
Yeah, that was a pain. Steve invited me over. He's like, hey, I'm changing the radiator in this little tractor. Should be easy. 4 or 5 hours later.
And these have the grease fittings inside the port, just like the other ones that we just did in the front piston. Okay, grease coming out.
Yep.
These little ones can get dirt and stuff in them, so we're probably gonna get a little pick to clean that out. Let's see if I can get this to go on. There it goes.
It's coming out.
Okay. Good, yeah. You got them here on these feet, but these feet fill up with dirt. I'm gonna get a little pocket screwdriver. I'm gonna clean these out. We'll come back to these so that we can get the grease fittings on them. So we're gonna clean out some of these with just a little pocket screwdriver, just to get the dirt out so we can get the grease gun in there. And you may have to do this. These are the feet that sit on the ground, so you know you wanna clean this stuff out. And that's all dirt. And you want to just keep everything greased so you don't have to replace any of these pins. Yeah, it's coming out.
You can see it. Get some gravel on this one.
All right. Okay. Get these two bottom ones here already. Get a grease fitting right here on the piston.
There's grease fittings all over this thing.
Yep. Once you start doing them, you'll find them. Okay, that's coming out. And you'll be used to them. Know where they are.
There it goes.
The battery operated grease guns are getting pretty popular now. And probably a good thing for one of these.
It's like a ton of grease points on this machine.
Yeah.
But it's easy to do and just go around. It's an easy to do maintenance thing, and it'll help to prevent wear and tear, like Steve said, on all these pins. It's like a little bit of maintenance goes a long way, right, Steve?
Yeah, certainly does on these.
Yeah, these are all filthy down here too. Got leaves, dirt, gravel.
Did a lot of work in my yard this year with this thing. It saved my back. There goes that.
It's amazing how much dirt gets caught up into some of this stuff.
Yeah, it is. But this is what goes in the ground. Yeah, this is the digging part of it.
Yeah, there's one over there too.
Yeah.
It's like literally grease fittings everywhere on this thing. They're all over the place. We're gonna try to get them all, but I think we've got. There's a ton of them.
Yeah, we'll walk around, double check it. If we miss any, we'll let you know.
Yeah, you can yell at us.
Yeah.
Did we? Okay, there it goes. Thought we might have missed that
Yeah.
one. Okay. There's just so many of them, it's
Missed this
easy.
one.
Did we? Yeah, they're like literally everywhere. But you just kind of walk around and look around.
I'll probably count them out at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hear it coming
Yeah,
up
I
there.
can hear it come out.
Yeah, let's get it on the other
Is
side.
that one in the middle over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one down in there too. It's so caked to crud.
There it goes.
Get that one and that pivot point.
There's another one right
Another
here.
one hiding up there. Yeah, we'll try to walk around this thing and count them all up.
Yeah.
Man. That's kind of nice that they do have all these grease fittings on all the pivot points, so they're not self-contained. You can keep the things greased up and lubricated good.
Yeah. Okay, it's coming out the bottom there.
Right?
All right. There's the board on the
The
outside.
inside.
Got this one right here. You got everything on this side.
Yeah. Just,
Do these feet now. These bottom ones really get full of crust.
yeah, I know it.
It's coming out there.
Swap there. It's amazing how much stuff gets gunked in there.
Yeah. One in here. They're
Look like a plug.
filled flat. They almost look like a cap because there's so much crust in them.
I thought it was a cap. You couldn't even see the thing.
But it's a pivot point. Anywhere there's a pivot point, there should be a fitting you want to look at. Okay.
Thanks for watching the video. So that's about it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.